in a video description. So now the time is to create a project and write a code. So inside a htdoc I'm creating a project which is a user, and inside a user just drag this folder inside your code editor, and you can create a file it here and here also, that's your choice. So I'm creating a file which is index.php. You can give any name, but I'm giving index.php. This you can call login.php, because I will write a code for a login. So just log out, and here is the login form I will create. So put it a doc type, simple HTML code, just doc type. Doc type is HTML, means document type, and HTML tag should be closed, and this is the head tag, and head tag should be closed. And meta tag, it's a correct character set is utf-8, and then put it a title tag, title title tag, and give a title of this page which is login page. And here I will put a body tag, and body should be closed, and put just user. Just run this project and localhost and your project name. So now it's empty. Just create a login form inside of inside a body tag. So just form and action and method. So action is blank and method is post, because we are making a login form. And put a heading level 2, and heading level 2 should be closed, and put the heading account login. Then we will create okay, just simple login, and then we will create some input fields. For one for username, this is a text, input type text, and give it a name and ID. So I'm giving its name is username, and you can give any name, right? So ID is same as a username. You can give another name, that's your choice, and placeholder is username. So one more field I need. It's simple. So one more field I need for password. So input type password, just change to type input type user text to a password, and name is password, and ID also same as the name, and placeholder is also a password. And we need a button which is submit button, and submit button we will give a name is it's a login. So input type submit, and the value is a login. And let's see, it's a cool but not look like that. So what we will do, that we will put one more thing, which is this don't have an account and create an account. We will put a link for going to going to a sign up page. So don't have an account, we will create a new anchor tag, means a link. We will create a sign up.php page, and you can put create account, and just put it sign up.php. You can give any name. I'm giving sign up. So let's create a new file inside of your project and name it as sign up.php. So wait in a minute, I will write a code inside a sign up.php. So it's a sign up page is, login page is not looking good, so we are making like this. To for that we need to create a write a code of CSS to make a look good. The body, its a body is a CCC color, and its a form is its max with width is 400 pixels, so it's look in the center and looks cool. And its margin and padding, margin is top is 50 and bottom is 50, and left and right is auto, and background we want a white color. So for white color, this is a hexadecimal code, and white color is app, and padding of our form is 40 pixel, left, right, top, bottom, from anywhere. And we also have a heading level 2, that's margin we want, top is 0. And now check our form how it looks. Sorry, one more select one more field, which is input, and it's padding. Input type text, passport, and submit button. All of three elements we are putting margin and padding 10 pixels. And now you can see it's look like in our demo. So next thing what we will do, to create this sign up and create a form. And now our form sign up.php is empty, so let's write a code inside a sign up.php. So same code you need to copy from index.php and paste it here, but we need some extra input fields for getting information from of user. And change the heading level to a sign up account sign up. And also we need to copy and paste some codes. Just copy and paste it here, and give it a name, type is email, and name is email, and id is same as name, and placeholder is email. One more field we need for the mobile, and for mobile number just copy and paste, and input type text, and give a name is a mobile, and id is mobile, and placeholder you can put it any. I am giving mobile, and you can put enter your mobile, whatever placeholder, but it's identical. And just replace this link text to already have an account. You can go to a login, have an account, you can go to a login. Just change to index.php because it has a login form, and put it login.p. Okay, just simple login, and it's change value sign up. And now see, we have a sign up page, but it's not look good like this. So what we will do that for, so go to a code, and we will change the width of our form. So in a signup.php we will change its width is 500 pixel, and if refresh, so you will see a nice account sign up form for getting the information of the user, and they can enter the information, and we can store that information inside a database. So for that we will create a new file, which is a db.php. so db, this is for database file, db.php, and we will write a code. Just drag and drop it here. So here we will write a code for our database connection. So this is the class file. I will create a class. If you don't know what is a class, but if you see complete video tutorial, you understand really classes helping helping us, right? Because this is the simplest way and the easiest way to use a class. It means the overall talk, just classes helps lot, right? So just class, put it db, and put it a property which is a private, and server name is localhost, and put it username of our database, right? Username, our database is a root, and some more property we need, database password. And if you are using a live server, you can put your cpanel database username and password it here, but I'm using a XAMPP localhost. I'm putting this database name. If don't, I'm not creating a new one of learn code database, and not creating these tables you need to create, right? So this is the constructor What is the constructor? Constructor is the like a method, but it's we don't need to call anyway. It's a default. It's a automatically run, right, when we call create an object of the class. So next thing is create a method which is db, and create an object of mysql, and it will take four parameters. First is username, server name, username, passport, and the db name. So server name server, just you can copy and paste in this fields. So this dot username, server name, username, and password. Third parameter is password, this password, and these are the private properties we are putting inside mysql. You can put publicly also, but I don't want to access this a db username and password to any other files, so I'm putting it a private. But just I will access in a same file, so I'm putting it private, and make it a debug the connection. If it has error, we will die the script and the project our connection. So connection failed, and plus dot is concatenation operator, and debug the connection, which is connection error, and semicolon. And if connection is okay, we can return the connection to anywhere. This connection, and this is the database name you need to create. If you don't know how to create, just click it new and go to a database, put copy and paste, and you can give any name and just create. So learn code, and we have two tables, is membership and sign up tables. So now we have connected to our database.